So let's go, shall we? Okay, the question Echo asked me today was, what's one thing your body knows today that the world hasn't caught up to yet? What's one thing my body knows? I had to write it down so that I could read it. I can't toggle between all of these screens. Um, what's one thing that my body knows today that the world hasn't caught up to yet? Oh, my body knows that it really is safe to relax. That's one thing that I know from the decades of work I've done and all the thousands of people I've helped, which has just been a blessing, is that it's safe to relax, even though it feels like it's not safe to relax, even though it seems like your body's on edge. It is safe to take actions, to smell things, to go for the walk, to breathe, to do that first before you do your checklist for the day, before your mind starts racing. It's okay to relax more often than it is to work. That's a really big one. And my body knows this. Why does my body know this? Because I'm way more efficient the more time I give myself to process, to think, to compost my emotions, to get the insights from it, to learn new things. When I'm in student mode, open student, open-hearted mode, almost like when I'm a child without the pain and suffering and misery in my body, I'm able to accomplish bigger and bigger and bigger ideas. And that's absolutely proven.